Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Cyan from Rainbow Friends. Let's start with eyes first. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eyes. Draw a curved line to connect the eyes and extend it outside on both sides. Draw U shape by connecting two ends. Now, we have completed the head shape. Draw mouth. Draw teeth. Draw a curved line and connect it to the head for the body shape. Draw another wavy line and connect to the head. Now, we have completed the body. Draw leg. Draw toes. Draw leg. Draw toes. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kids Art.